Chris is a little bit of a different story. He's been a long-time Case customer. He's found a little honey hole here working next to water. Does a lot of flat work, of course, but where he's most talented at is his rock work.
You know, we looked at the project and we said, you know what, the only way we're gonna get this done is we're not gonna sit here. We gotta be down there. So in order to be down there, now what does that change for what piece of equipment you do need down there?
Chris called me about a rental on a 210. Knowing some of the weird spots Chris gets into, I wanted to be sure that we were gonna have enough workspace and make sure the lift capacity met his application for what he was lifting and setting. After talking with him a little bit, renting just didn't make the most sense.
My salesman said, time out, you know, and that was me saying, I really wish I could just use what I own too, you know, and he's like, well, let's just, you know, because we get a little panicky at times. We're like, oh, how are we gonna get down there? We got it excavated, and, you know, things can go sideways fast. So you know, the difference is, how do you handle it?
I easily could have said, hey, you want a rental? Okay, yeah, here, we'll get your rental on 210 set up. How long is it gonna be? Who knows? Let it go there, let it sit. It could have sat in that job for weeks. Cost him $15,000, $20,000 after he's all said and done with. But instead, he's able to utilize his equipment, keep his guys working and running, and be safe and productive at the same time.
When you need something, they're there. They're not really like, here, we're just gonna sell you something to sell you something.
One of the big things about us here is we treat each other like family, we treat our customers like family. Spending money on parts, spending money on service, not always the most exciting thing to do, but it's a necessary evil. If we can make them smile while they're doing it, it means a lot. And
the guys in the shop, as much as your sales guys are great, but when you need an answer, and I can call there and talk to Toby, or I can call there and talk to Seth, or you know, any of the guys say, hey, that's what I got going on, you know, and then they're giving you answers.
In my personal opinion, doing the right thing is number one. Not going after the quick sale, because that ensures that long-term the relationship is going to be productive and successful.